Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited and overwhelmed to tell you that the complete IELTS course playlist is coming to an end. This is the last video and it is in continuation with letter writing. Previously, I have covered letter of complaint, letter of inquiry, suggestion and informal letter. This is the last type of letter that you will see in the general training IELTS test. Now guys, letter of recommendation. Have you heard about referral system in corporates? Yes, it is the same. You recommend a person, a colleague, your junior, your senior to another company. That is what you need to mention. So you will find details about that employee, to what all his qualifications are, how you are connected with him, and everything related to the referral. I will read out a complete sample letter and describe point to point as I have done in the previous videos as well. So you can use the complete sample as a template. This is how I also did, guys. I chose one template for every letter and created the pointers that needs to be covered however the topic comes. The pointers remain consistent, but yes, the info changes. So I will read it loud and let's quickly proceed to the main part of the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Telegram channel that I have created for all of you. I have all the updates and all the guiding posts provided in that channel. Let's quickly get started. Okay guys, we get the question here which says one of your friends wants to apply for a job that involves working with foreign teenagers. Write a letter of recommendation for him or her. In your letter, express. Now these three pointers are generally omitted or sometimes provided in the exam. In your letter, express how well you know your friend, what qualification he or she has, why you think she would be suitable for this job. As I explained, these three pointers needs to be there. If you omit, then there will be some negative marking, which means the band will be reduced because the examiner wants you to write all these three pointers other than what all information you have. Okay. So it also says you do not need to write any addresses. Begin your letter as follows: Dear Sir or Madam. Okay guys, I hope the question is clear. Now let me take you to the sample answer. Now, as I've explained in the previous videos also, how you start is really important. I am saying here, I'm writing this letter to recommend one of my close friends, XYZ, whatever the name is, for the position of assistant supervisor in your organization. So guys, the first and foremost, you have to clarify why you are writing the letter. Use the phrase like, I am writing this letter to recommend my friend for this and this post in your organization. That's the first thing. Second, she has an outstanding academic record, prior to work experience with children, and an amiable personality which would make her a suitable candidate to work in your organization. So second thing I have covered is, I have conveyed why the person is really suitable and what are his exceptional qualities. So these two things, right? Proceeding now to the body copy. I have been close to Millie, or XYZ close to Raj, since my childhood. She was my classmate both in school and college. Due to her leadership quality, excellent academic performance, pleasant personality, teachers and students loved her dearly. She won a prestigious prize during her school graduation ceremony and then got admitted to Johansson's Merit College, where she was an active organizer of social events. So now guys, in this second paragraph, as previously the question said, what qualification she has, I have elaborated in my second paragraph as to why he has some certain qualifications that fits in the role of assistant supervisor. You can also, in your own words, you can enhance these qualifications. For example, you can say he is an MBA degree holder, or you can say he has done masters in computer science and has profound experience in the field of coding, or in the field of, say, product marketing. So you can write that qualification in your own words, definitely, but in your paragraph you have to mention the qualifications. Okay. Now coming to the third paragraph. Before that, guys, in the sample that is shown on the screen, this third paragraph is actually a part of second paragraph, because we generally write three paragraphs. But at times you have a decision, if you want to take it into four, you can do that, but I'm right now compiling it in my second para only. Now she completed her graduation from University of Eden and then worked as an interpreter for the United Nations. Afterwards, she traveled extensively, worked closely with two different humanitarian organizations in many parts of the world. She can speak English, French, and Spanish fluently. She even has prior teaching experience, and children love her very much. So, you see, I have now further elaborated. Herein, I have mentioned about her degree, also about the languages she speaks. So, while I'm recommending, two, three things that I can conclude here is, firstly, you have to mention about the person's qualifications in terms of educational degrees or any master's program he or she has done. Second, you have to write about the number of experience or the experience he or she has in a certain field while working at certain company which is really popular. Third thing, mention about the kind of language he or she can speak other than English. It could be English, Hindi, French. It could be just English or Hindi. So do write about that, because that gives an edge. While you're working overseas, guys, you know that you have to be multilinguistic. You need not confine yourself to one language. So this acts as a bonus that you know more than one language. So do refer that point in this paragraph. Coming to the last paragraph, I would definitely recommend her for the position you have advertised. Should you need any further information, please do not hesitate to write to me. Yours faithfully. So herein I have given a comfort zone to the advertiser to, just contact me if there is any question that is required, and I am recommending the person with a lot of confidence and conviction. That is needed, and that's it. Hardly one or two lines required in the concluding last paragraph. Do end it by saying yours faithfully. That's it, guys. I hope this much is clear to you. Take it as a template. So I have provided the pointers, guys. Now, however the question comes, you can use these pointers and fill in your information as per the question. If any question now, guys, you can write in the comment section, and I am there to reply and revert to each and every question of yours. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video so that it helps others as well, and stay tuned for more content coming on my channel.